फाटल्या मॅचीत केरळात वचून गोकुलमाक हरोवन चर्चिल ब्रदर्स अंदूच्या आय लिगांत पयलेच खेप जिखिल्ल्यान तांकां आतां नवी उमेद आयल्या। शुक्रारा सांजे 5:30 चर्चिल शिलाँग लाजोंगा आड ह्याच नेटार खेळून आपली कामगिरी फुलोवंक तयार। फाटल्या घरच्या मॅचीत चर्चिलान ईस्ट बंगाला आड फायटिंग स्पिरिटाचेर मॅच 1-1 ड्रॉ केल्ली।
We think they have the capability to maybe finish the top 5, top 6. Do you think they can? For myself, I expect it to team, and I hope if team play well, work together, they work hard, I think they will go on. Like coach said, it's going to be a tough match and interesting match because we are not coming here for vacation, not for enjoyment here. We come here for 3 points.
Yes, I did before 2 weeks here. Every day you have new challenge. You come new inside the one team, you can help the team go up, not help the team go down.
What do you think of resting Coffee or maybe some of the players? Or stick to the...
Yes, I was having thoughts of regarding Kobe because he's a very important player for me and the team. But now we have been doing rehabilitation and he has been visiting the physios also. We gave him special treatment and now he's better because he was in little pain. We sent him to the best physios. He has been doing his rehab and he's coming good. So only thing now delivering on the ground, which
so he is not entirely fit, in other words.
Can be 80%. But the last match against East Bengal, he had that injury. But after that, and we are playing back-to-back matches. There is no time for recovery also. But in between, whatever recovery is given by the physio, he is doing it. And since yesterday, he is feeling better. And tomorrow
He will be there.
Yes.
So all 90 minutes or 60-70 minutes?
See, if you try, you know, if you come or not.
फोंड्या सुरू आशिल्ल्या हायटेक कप ऑल गोवा सिनियर डिव्हिजन व्हॉलीबॉल लीग सर्तींत कॉलनी बॉयज मोल्लें आनी ऑशेल टीमींनी आपआपल्यो मॅची जिखल्यो। कॉलनी बॉयजान जवाहर क्लब फोंडाक जाल्यार ऑशेलान सोशल कल्चरल क्लब लोटलीक मारले।
President of Goa Volleyball Association, Mr. Ovin Suarez, and the Secretary, Mr. Raghuveer Shinde, Mr. Navnath Naik, the Chief Officer of Fonda Municipal Council, for giving us such a beautiful ground here.
And a warm welcome to our most distinguished chief guest of today's evening.
Point to Orshel, 17-6. $25. Point to Goa Club, 10-24. $25-11 at the first set in 25-23
वास्कोचे सेंट जोसेफ शाळेचे पीटीएन वर्ल्ड ज्युनियर स्क्वॉश स्टार यश फट्टेचो भोवमान केलो। ह्या शाळेचो स्टुडंट यश हालींच US ओपन ज्युनियर सर्तींत चॅम्पियन जाला।
The junior champion, it's and only wish is that one day he has to be world #1 in the senior category, and he will surely be. I tell you, Yash is such a wonderful student. The most important thing I like about him is he is very, very humble. This success has never hit his head.
I'd like to thank St. Joseph's Institute for putting up such a nice show. It gives me, more encouragement to, bring more laurels to wonders in the, coming future. And as for squash has, always, shown me the best moments in life. And as speaking about the US Junior Open, it was tough because I had to face a lot of challenges, climate-wise, because it was very cold, temperatures, dropping to -7, -8, and because jet lag, it was a 10.5-hour difference. It was a lot of challenges, in my way, but at the end, I was able to, overcome the challenges and go through.
Yeah, today, I think, government of Goa has done less for squash. So I will be, requesting the Chief Minister for some help for him, because he is. Financial support has to be given to sportsmen like him.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.